Welcome to our channel, where creativity meets sustainability. Have you ever looked at a pile of reclaimed wood and thought about the beautiful decor possibilities? In today's video, we'll explore how you can turn discarded wood into stunning, profitable decor items that can enhance any space. Whether you're an aspiring artisan or just someone looking for a rewarding hobby, we've got you covered. From wall art that adds personality to small functional pieces that make life easier, there are numerous avenues to explore. So, let's dive into the incredible world of reclaimed wood decor and discover how these projects can become both creative outlets and profitable ventures. As we embark on this journey, let's consider the artistry involved in crafting reclaimed wood decor. Imagine transforming aged barn wood or salvaged pallets into unique wall hangings that catch the eye. Picture wooden signs featuring inspirational quotes, embodying the rustic charm that modern consumers crave. The beauty of reclaimed wood lies not only in its distinct textures and colors, but also in the stories it tells. Each piece carries a history, making it a meaningful addition to any home. Start by gathering materials. You can find reclaimed wood at local stores, construction sites, or even your own backyard. The key is to select wood that speaks to you, whether it's rough-hewn beams or elegantly weathered planks. Once you've gathered your materials, it's time to get crafting. Begin with straightforward projects that can yield quick results and get you excited about the process. For instance, consider creating simple coasters or small planter boxes. These items not only beautify a space but also provide functional benefits, appealing to a wide audience. Begin by cutting the wood to your desired size, then sand it down to a smooth finish to remove any splinters or rough edges. Adding an eco-friendly stain or natural finish will enhance the wood's grain, allowing its natural beauty to shine through. Now that you have your creations, let's explore how to sell your wooden decor. A solid online presence is essential, so consider setting up a shop on platforms like Etsy, where handcrafted items thrive. Create high-quality listings that feature captivating images of your products. Natural light can make a significant difference. Showcase pieces in real-life settings. For example, place a beautiful wooden sign above a cozy sofa or highlight a planter on a sunny windowsill. This not only demonstrates the item's use but also connects with potential buyers by helping them visualize it in their own living spaces. Effective marketing will drive your sales process. Use social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to share your journey. Document the crafting process through short videos or picture stories. Show how you turn reclaimed wood into decor, emphasizing the beauty of each step. Engaging with your audience is key. Respond to comments, share tips, and even run polls to discover what designs they'd like to see next. By building a community around your craft, you not only foster connection, but also create a loyal customer base eager to support your work. Pricing your items accurately is crucial to your success. Take into account your material costs, the time you invest, and the craftsmanship involved in each piece. A common strategy is to mark up your items by at least 50% to ensure you're covering your expenses and making a profit. Research similar products in the market to establish competitive pricing, but remember not to undervalue your work. Handmade items often command higher prices, especially when they reflect sustainability and artistry. As you create and sell, don't overlook the potential for seasonal or themed decor. Consider crafting holiday-specific items, such as rustic ornaments or decorative signs that celebrate various seasons. Themed pieces can attract customers looking for unique decorations that reflect their personal style or make perfect gifts. Start your marketing efforts early. For instance, promote seasonal decor months in advance to capture holiday shoppers eager for unique finds. Remember, keeping your creativity flowing is essential. Experiment with different designs and techniques, and don't hesitate to take risks. Perhaps you'll find that your audience loves colorful, hand-painted designs or prefers minimalist, natural finishes. Gathering feedback from your customers can guide your future projects, helping you hone in on what works best while offering exciting options. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the beauty and potential within every piece of reclaimed wood. Your journey as a creator does not stop at crafting. It expands into sharing your talents and stories with the world. Each piece you make can serve as a reminder that sustainability and artistry can go hand in hand, contributing positively to both your community and the environment. Embrace your passion, cherish the artistry in your work, and let your unique creations shine. So, if you found these ideas inspiring, why not take the first step today? Gather some reclaimed wood, unleash your creativity, and see what you can create. Share your projects in the comments below. We'd love to hear about your journey and the beautiful pieces you're crafting. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring ideas on turning your creativity into profitable creations. Until next time, keep crafting and let your unique vision transform the ordinary into the extraordinary.